Current leaders of many Toastmasters Club are making way for a new set of leaders. So it is now time for change of guard in the club, and it is honor to install the new set of club officers for the term July 2016 until December 2016. So I now call out the outgoing club ex-coms to please come on stage. Starting from the Sergeant at Arms, Lokesh. Treasurer Devraj. Secretary Samiksha is missing, so we skip. Vice President Public Relations Arvind. Vice President Membership Tushar.
Who's got it?
Linda is missing, again President Cyril Jose. On behalf of Toastmasters International District 82, I thank all of you for your accomplishments. You are discharged from all your duties and responsibilities as officers of Many Toastmasters Club. So I would like everyone to please applaud for this outgoing officer. Thank you. I request Sunil Jose to please be on stage and give you your badges.
Thank you, Intellectual Officer. And I congratulate the incoming President and the team. And I would like to thank for giving an opportunity for me and my team to serve this club for the last 6 months, which is not going to over today, which is going over the June 30th. A lot of people are there which supported us. We know where we stand today. But all these credits, all these awards, recognition for our club, all goes to the members. Because without the members, we could not have achieved this. Each award which we got was through the effort and sincerity of our members. I would like to thank certain special people and team, and especially the immediate past President Toastmaster Ramalingam and his team for supporting us on this journey. And there were a lot of mentors, senior members, veterans, Toastmasters, or consistently calling us when they find something missing, some mistakes, errors in the club, which they wanted the club to completely become an absolutely excellent club. And now I would also like to thank the extended team. There was EXCOM was working very hard, but there are a lot of people who supported the EXCOM, especially the one person who was painstakingly taking down the each criteria for determining the outstanding Toastmaster award, that is Toastmaster Anusha. And then people also willingly come forward to be point of contacts like Toastmaster Vinod, Toastmaster Prakash, and Balaji was all over here for every meeting. And then I can't forget about two people, and especially we had a big club contest with 21 speakers, and the contest chair, Toastmaster Kalyan Mani. We had a totally different milestone meeting, 350th meeting. It was run completely under the control of Toastmaster Satlingam. Finally, but not least, our club stand with our heads high. We are the number 2 club in the total district of Tamil Nadu, and this is not something is a person's achievement. This is a culmination of the achievement of a lot of EXCOMs and a lot of members and a lot of hard work and loyalty of the members to this club. We have more than 40 active members who are associated with the club, 40 to 50 active members associated with the club. So I'm very glad, and really it was an honor for me to get an opportunity to be the president of this club. Finally, and I would like to thank my EXCOM, the part of my the people who were with me. When I started on the first day of installation, I said this was the youngest ESCOM. Today I say this was a younger ESCOM because I become younger. Because of the opportunity to work with this wonderful team, all youngsters, all my pestering, all my machines, and they all severed and overcame that. And especially Vice President of Education Priyanka, she's not here. She was such a wonderful Vice President of Education. Like she was a student till she found time to take this to the next level. I would like to recognize the effort of all my ESCOM team. I request those who are present here. I request Recruitment Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Lokesh Chandra. Our Treasurer, Toastmaster Devraj. Our VPPR and incoming Vice President Membership, Toastmaster Arvind Vivekananda. Our VP Membership and incoming VP Education, Toastmaster Tushar. Okay, Toastmaster Samiksha, who is the Secretary, and Toastmaster Priyanka, VP Education, is not there, they are in the exam. So I will give the award next week. Over to you, Suresh. Thank you so much.
I would like to give a big round of applause for President Toastmasters India, heading this club to such a level where we are #1 in Tamil Nadu out of District 82. Now we'll proceed with the installation of new officers. When I call each one of you, please come forward and stay close to me. The Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Balaji. Treasurer, Toastmaster Vinod. Secretary, Toastmaster Kalyan. Vice President Public Relations, Arjun. Vice President Membership, Aravind. Vice President Education, Tushar. President, Toastmaster, Robert. I am here to install the officers of Mary Toastmasters Club and to prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong, dedicated to helping people from all walks of life to listen with sensitivity, think creatively, and speak in an effective manner. As I briefly describe the responsibilities of each officer, I will ask him to hold the gavel as a symbol of leadership. When I finish the responsibilities, I request you to please say I will. Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Balaji. The duties of Sergeant at Arms are to make sure that all supplies and materials are properly distributed and displayed at meetings, greet guests and members, and call the meeting to order at the scheduled time. I give you this gavel as a symbol of discharge. Will you perform your duties to the best of your ability? Thank you. This is the installed Toastmaster Balaji as the Sergeant at Arms of Mary Toastmasters Club. Now, Treasurer Toastmaster Vinod. The duties of the treasurer are to collect dues from the members, send the dues and membership renewal reports to Toastmasters International, and pay the club's expenses. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
With this, we install Toastmaster Vinod as the treasurer of Medley Toastmasters Club. Secretary Toastmaster Kalyan. The duties of secretary are to keep an accurate record of the members, submit the officers list to Toastmasters International after the election, and keep the club charter, constitution, bylaws, and minutes. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. It is installed Toastmaster Kalyan as the secretary of Medley Toastmasters Club. Please pass it on to Vice President Public Relations. Vice President's Public Relations, Toastmaster Arjun. The duties of Vice President Public Relations are to promote the club to the local media, spread the word about membership programs, and attend Toastmaster events. Will you perform these duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. I install Toastmaster Arjun as Vice President Public Relationship of Medley Toastmasters Club. Please pass the gavel to Vice President Membership. Vice President Membership, Toastmaster Arvind. As the Vice President Membership, your duties are to conduct ongoing membership building programs, explain the education program to prospective members and ask them to join, and follow up on new members and absent members. Will you perform these duties to the best of your ability?
Yes, I will.
With this, we install Toastmaster Arvind as Vice President Membership of Medley Toastmasters. Vice President Education, Toastmaster Tushar. The duties of Vice President Education are to plan successful meetings to help members achieve their educational goals, orient new members to the Toastmasters program as soon as they join, and monitor members' progress. Will you perform these duties of your ability?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. With this, we install Toastmaster Tushar as the Vice President Education of Medley Toastmasters. President Toastmaster Mohan. Having been elected the President of Medley Toastmasters Club, you are its Chief Executive Officer and will be expected to preside at all club meetings, at all regular and special meetings of the Executive Committee. It's your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their education goals. It is also your challenge to see that your club helps the area, division, district and Toastmasters International to meet their goals. Please accept the gavel as a symbol of your leadership and dedication to office. I'll read. The gavel is a symbol of power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. You are a member of your team and a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It's an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts, and actions of all members with the common goal of achievement, sharing, and mutual support. Work with your team members to create a healthy, dynamic club, a club of which everyone will be proud. Will you, as the president, accept this challenge and perform the duties to the best of your ability?
I will.
Thank you. With this, I install Toastmaster Mohan as the president of Medley Toastmasters Club. It's now my pleasure to declare these Toastmasters are installed on their respective roles. Now I request the members to please listen to this. After I finish this, I request you to please rise and say I will. The growth and development of the Toastmasters program in Medley Toastmasters Club depend largely on the actions of this group. On your honor as men and women of Toastmasters, will you pledge to individually and collectively stand by this club, live with it, and work with it throughout the coming year?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. Thank you. Now I request the President Toastmaster Mohan to please continue to address.
Group photo.
So I request the Division I, the Home Division, Division I, Director-elect Toastmaster Ramalingam to please hand over the club leadership handbooks. You can issue everyone. Something special for President. Some set of rules, regulations, handbooks, materials.
President receives too many things.
Family. Immediate passport. Thank you.
$500 வருதுங்க.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. The scariest video clip I had ever seen in my life was my CC1 recording. I could sleep that night. This happened about 3 years back at Bentley. But I decided to come back. I came to CC2, CC3, and started playing roles. What I was amazed was, and even today, is a brilliant platform somebody created 93 years back. My friend Alex will vouch for this. Research has proved beyond doubt today. If you want to add a skill or habit, or remove a habit or a skill, you have to do incremental development. That's the only way. And learning by doing, experiential. So these two, somebody like Ralph Smedley, the founder of Toastmasters, has created 95 years back. Isn't it amazing? It took years and universities and researchers to find out, and we all know if you keep doing something repetitively, we internalize, it becomes an invaluable addition to what we want to do. So incremental learning and learning by doing, experiential platform is what we all belong to. How do you make the best use of it? So don't be worried if the CC1 recording is as fearful as it was for me. Keep coming back. Keep coming back on stage for speeches, keep coming and playing roles. You'll definitely be a much better speaker and leader. And I guarantee you, every 6 months you will see a difference. And many of us who have been here are testimony to that. So it's all just submitting yourself to the platform and keep coming back. So this platform is there. Just know how much you submit matters. No, Medley is such a wonderful club, we all know that. In fact, they gave a badge for number 2 in district. Yeah, But there is a story how it got to the table. Sunil pinned it to his shirt and refused to remove it. And some of me, Tushar and Arvind had to sneak into his house one day past midnight and then plug it out. And then we preserved it so that it doesn't go back again. So much he was attached to Medley. And we all know his leadership got us the number 2 in district. Let us give him a big hand. Now, Ramalingam just said, read all this and do a lot of work. But leaders' work is determined by the team. But you all by now know what kind of brilliant team I have. The incoming ex-com, Balaji, Vinod Kumar, Kalyan, Arjun, David, Tushar. And of course, there's the immediate past president. There are many like Ramalingam, Satish and Alex. So, there's a brilliant team and thanks to all of you and Medley for creating this. And of course, the outgoing team, including Sunil, and some of our friends who are not here today, Samiksha, Priyanka, Lokesh is here, and Devraj. So they were all responsible for creating such a great performance in the last term. And many people from our founder president, charter president Mr. VN Subramanian, and of course we have our charter member Ramakrishnan, and all the way to Sunil, you know, numerous presidents, ExComs, VPs, VPMs, they all have really put countless hours into building this club. It's a huge list, so I just say thanks to all of you. It's an honor and privilege for me to step into this role of President of Mindley, one of the prestigious clubs in the district, and I am sure we are definitely one of the prestigious clubs across the world, if there's a measure to look at it. So, as way of going forward, we met last week. If we have created excellence, how do we sustain it? Creating excellence itself is difficult. So, if you have created some level of excellence, sustaining is all the more difficult. So, we discussed many areas. So, three things we want to really focus, at least as an immediate measure. The very first thing is deep member connect. We do have multiple ways of connect, but we felt that sometimes members don't get slots, and they probably they need to understand why dropping off slots at the last minute. Next 2 weeks may be full, it may take some time. So we want to really build a deeper member connect, more than emails and WhatsApp. Between 2:30 and 5:30, 2:30 p.m. and 5:30 p.m. during meetings, all the ExCom will be here. That is, you have an half an hour before and half an hour after the meeting. So request to all the members to just please come and meet us. It's easier to know if you had an issue, we'll try and sort it out in the next 2-3 weeks. And you're welcome to send an email, use WhatsApp, but above all, we wanted to give a personal touch to the whole thing. It is already there, but you want to make it formal. Just to make a commitment, the ExCom guys get bondas only after everybody clears all the questions. So if you see any of the 7 going towards bonda and somebody has not been taken care, he doesn't get that. Yes, so there's a punishment-based mechanism to make the ExCom perform better. So that is number 1. And here I have a request for all the members and mentees to reduce the workload of VPE and overall ExCom. Because we're going to plan out for 6 months in a broad way, and next 4 weeks we want to plan out the agenda in a tighter way. And if people drop out, please tell us by Monday so that the VPE can work on it.